Did you know a court can seize your assets? This might sound intimidating, but it's a reality we must face. Asset seizure is a legal process where your property, be it your home, car, or bank account, can be taken by the court. This usually happens if you owe a significant debt or if you're implicated in illegal activities. Don't panic though, it's not a whimsical decision but a process firmly rooted in laws and regulations. So, how does this process work? Let's delve a little deeper. The legal process of asset seizure is not as complex as it might sound. At its core, this process begins when a lawsuit is filed against you. This could be by a creditor who you owe money to, or a government agency that believes you've broken the law. Once the lawsuit is filed, the court steps in. They issue a court order for the seizure of your assets. This is not a random act of power, but a legal process aimed at ensuring debts are paid or penalties are met. The court order is essentially a legal instruction telling you that specific assets you own will now be taken over by the entity that filed the lawsuit. So what types of assets can be seized? It's a broad spectrum. Your bank accounts can be frozen, meaning you can't access the money you have. Your property, be it your home, land, or other real estate, can be taken over. Vehicles too, whether it's your daily commuter car or that luxury yacht you only use on holidays. The purpose is to use these assets to pay off the debts or penalties you owe. It's important to note that asset seizure is not a process initiated lightly. It's a serious legal action that has significant implications. But now that you understand the process, what can you do to protect your assets? There are ways to safeguard your assets from seizure. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. Maintaining good financial health is your first line of defense. Keep a steady income, pay your bills on time, and try to avoid accruing unnecessary debts. Next, remember that illegal activities are a surefire way to attract the attention of the court. So always stay within the bounds of the law. Finally, consider asset protection planning. This is a proactive strategy that involves organizing your assets in a way that reduces the risk of loss. It's a complex process and should ideally be done with the help of a legal expert. They can guide you through the legalities and help you make the best choices to safeguard your assets. Remember, knowledge is power. Being aware of these processes and how to protect yourself can save you a lot of stress down the road.